the difference between reject null hypothesis H0 and fail to reject the null hypothesis H0. Number one, reject H0, then HA is true. So if you reject H0, then the alternative hypothesis is true. Picture this in your mind. You have H0 and HA. So just like two doors, H0 is door 1, HA is door 2. Reject H0, it means you just walk through door 1. So you just walk through door 1 and then you walk through door 2. So you open both doors and then you walk through both doors. And then reject H0. Reject means you just take it away. So reject H0. That means H0, forget it. Just cross out H0 and HA is true. So that is what reject H0 means. So you just erase or you cross out H0. So you take HA as a true statement. What about fail to reject H0? Fail to reject, some textbook call that do not reject H0. That means you cannot prove HA is true. So if you fail to reject H0, that means you are trying to get through door 1, but you are stuck. So the picture that I usually create is from door 1 to door 2, I am not able to go through door 1. I am stuck at door 1. I am not able to open the first door. So what that means is I'm going to put a big question mark right here. What is the big question mark mean? The big question mark means I cannot touch HA right now because I am still stuck at H0. The question mark means H0 remains suspicious. Is H0 correct? We don't know. Is H0 incorrect? We don't know. That remains suspicious. So what is remain suspicious mean? Let's take a look at the following example. H0 is Mr. X is guilty, or just X is guilty. So just a person is guilty. And then HA, I have to state the opposite, which is Mr. X or X is not guilty. So H0 and HA, they are the opposite, right? Guilty versus not guilty. So what if I reject H0? So if you reject H0, that means the alternative hypothesis is true. So you go ahead, pick up an eraser and then just erase H0, or you pick up a pen and cross out H0, and then you take HA as a true statement. So what is true? X is not guilty. This is absolutely true. I take that as a true statement. So you pick up that statement, X is not guilty, and then that's it. You're done. What about fail to reject H0? Fail to reject H0 means there is no evidence to prove the alternative hypothesis is true. What does that mean in the context of this problem? H0 is you are saying X is guilty. HA is you are saying X is not guilty. So if you fail to reject H0, according to the picture I drew up there, you are stuck at H0. You put a big question mark right next to H0. The question mark means X is suspicious. Is X guilty? Is X not guilty? We don't know. X failed to reject H0. I failed to prove that X is guilty. It doesn't mean that person is not guilty. So I fail to prove that person is guilty. It doesn't mean that person is innocent. So fail to reject means that person remains suspicious. Is that person guilty? We don't know. Is that person not guilty? We don't know. But at this point, that person remains suspicious. So that's the difference between reject H0 versus fail to reject H0. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you think the instruction is clear, give me a like, subscribe, share the video for me. See you all in the next one. Signing off for now.